In Twinmotion, I'm going to load a project. I might put some animated assets in there like characters and vehicles and put some vegetation. But I'll skip all that. Instead, I'm just going to render an image and use that image to generate a render in Prome AI. In Prome AI, I'm going to go to AI Tools, then select Sketch Rendering. I'm going to upload the image from Twinmotion that I rendered, then I'm going to upload a reference image. I'm going to make some adjustments, then click Generate. Render looks good, but I prefer them to look more technical, while at the same time keep that conceptual style. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to create a prompt specifying the use of a rotating technical pen and the size of the nib, and then click Generate. I can still add more elements by using the text prompt or the region rendering feature, but I'm going to skip to generating a realistic render and still use the same image that I rendered from Twinmotion. To change from a conceptual art to a realistic style, I'm going to change my reference image, then change the adjustments. I'm also going to enter a basic text prompt that I'm going to enhance by clicking the AI button, then I'll click Generate. So let's have a look at our original image from Twinmotion, and I'm going to superimpose it as we view the images we've generated. This is definitely a new workflow that produces quick results. I can then further develop the concept or finalize a presentation using an array of available tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share. As always, this is Eric, and I'll see you next time.